Transform my bathroom with me using paint. The first step is to sand down the tiles. I then use sugar soap to clean the tiles. I then tape down any areas that I do not want the paint to touch. Now let's get painting. I start off with the Duram Primex. This can be used on glass, wood, cement, enamel paint and ceramic tiles. I start off by working into the grout areas and then covering all the tiles with the Primex. After 2 coats of the Primex, I then go in with the Duram Wall Sheen paint in the color white. This paint is washable and dirt resistant. Now starting on the floors, we are going in with the Primex as the first layer of paint. Lastly, I'm going in with the Duram Stoep enamel in the color black. This is a non-slip enamel and is scratch, scuff and stain resistant, making it perfect for the bathroom floor. Now for the finished result. What do you think?